It seems that Apple's camera strategy might extend to 3 for the next iPhone. There are some sketchy invites for the OnePlus event to be happening apparently soon, and Spotify and Alexa may be coming together in your vehicle very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Diego, you forgot the joke. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with interesting developments as PayPal has just brought up features like FDIC protection, in addition to the fact that the company is even working on getting its own ATM service. Why? Because the company wants to start working into becoming a bank, so much so that it's partnering with banks in order to be able to provide usual bank services. You can learn more about everything you might be getting if you're interested in the description. Now, let's talk about HTC. We don't know exactly when we're getting the U12 or U12 Plus or whatever it is that we're getting, but we do have some leaks of a possible box for these devices. It seems IP68 water and dust resistant is coming. In addition, it seems that there will be dual SIM features in at least one of these phones, in addition to pretty much other things that we've heard. The most interesting one being that there is EdgeSense 2, and I never used EdgeSense 1, so I can't wait to see exactly how that's going to improve anything. Now let's move the spotlight over to Spotify. The company has literally taken the spotlight for the last couple of weeks with things like its IPO. Now the company is planning an event to happen on April 24, and we hear that it's going to be about hardware and software. When it comes to hardware, apparently there's a service that will work in your car or a vehicle product, something. Interesting that it also works with Alexa. So it seems that Spotify wants to get into hardware, but it wants to compete with CarPlay, I guess? Not exactly sure. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about OnePlus and the OnePlus 6. I mean, usually the phone, the update gets announced somewhere around June, but this time we've got some sketchy leaks that show us press invitations to be happening in the beginning of May between the 5th and the 15th of events to happen in China. OnePlus has never launched phones, and well, they've done virtual launches in the past. Obviously, those happened in China, but nobody was invited, things like that. But yeah, I mean, the OnePlus 5T was done in New York. We're not exactly sure what we're getting from OnePlus. What we do know is that it seems we're getting the OnePlus 6 early. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with the iPhone X, but apparently not necessarily the 2018 model. It seems that Cupertino has already started working hard on the 2019 model, with things like the Huawei P20 Pro bringing so much competition. Yes, my unit is waiting back in Studio One. I will have it very soon. I can't wait to try out that 40 megapixel camera. I really don't care about those triple sensors, but it seems that that's what Apple's gonna do. It seems that we are getting 3 cameras on whatever iPhone X we're getting, that we're getting insane photography capabilities, and that's all great. But in today's question, let us know, I mean, do you think that a triple camera approach would be smart for Apple to follow? Now that Huawei is doing this? I mean, has the whole launch of this P20 Pro made you consider a Huawei P20 Pro, or no? Leave us a comment down below. I've tried the demo units. It is insane. It's great. I think it would, but that's my opinion. We would love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram, and Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.